Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through guys on how to download SUMP in your Windows and create your very own database. Let's get started. So now I'm gonna show you the steps on how to download the SUMP. So first, open your web browser and visit the SUMP website, and then download. Download. Then you see operating system you choose. Some are Windows, browser, Linux, Mac OS. So we choose Windows. So once you click the download, should begin. So you can save also the file to a location you remember, like your desktop or download folder. So the next step is to open the SUMP control panel, then click the start button for the Apache and MySQL. So we need to ensure that both services are running, green status indicators. Then open your web browser again and type localhost to open the phpMyAdmin. And then here you can create your database. So under the create database, you can create your name for your database. Database. And then again, so here, name of the database, then number of columns, 3. Then here you need to choose a relation. You just need to mm, the last one. And then after that, you need to save. And that's all. So that's it guys. Hope this video helped you and thank you.